This is the Small Axe Jesse Raya, representing for Iron Root Sound. My sound, don't disrespect, you get thrown down. Skip it, skip it, skip school. Skip it, skip it, skip. Skip it, skip it, skip school. This is the Small Axe Jesse Raya, representing for Iron Root Sound. My sound, don't disrespect, you get thrown down. Don't you buy the ends that I feed you, my brethren, no. Don't you buy the ends that I feed you. Don't burn your bridges then behind you, brother man. Don't you burn your bridges then behind you. Cause if you burn your bridges down, that is the wrong thing to do. The good you do today will surely live after you. I man say, don't you buy the ends that I feed you. Don't buy the ends that I feed you. Boy, you with it. Boy, you with it. Don't be in a head. Oh no, feel listen where the Iron Root said. Remember the days of a bread and a water. You remember the days of the hunger. Don't forget your place of the shelter, brother. No, don't forget your roots and the culture. Cause if you're dealing with the war, no, you can't run far. Dealing with the grudge, you are gonna melt like fudge. Man say, don't you buy the ends that I feed you. Don't buy the ends that I feed you. Skip it, skip it, skip. Skip it, skip it, skip school. Skip it, skip it, skip. Skip it, skip it, skip school. Anytime you see the Small Axe, I'm an only talking big facts. I feel sending money in the racks. Can't miss the dread, you must see. You must be mad, you must be sick, you must be insane. Iron Roots, don't play certain game. In the square, I rain at the lane where you go put the little fool them to shame. Skip it, skip it, skip. Skip it, skip it, skip school. Skip it, skip it, skip. Skip it, skip it, skip school. Hey, don't you buy the ends that I feed you, brother, no. Don't you buy the ends that I feed you. Don't burn your bridges then behind you, brother, no. Don't you burn your bridges then behind you. Cause if you burn your bridges down, that is the wrong thing to do. Good you do today will surely live after you. I man say, don't you buy the ends that I feed you. Don't buy the ends that I feed you. Cause you be dead. Man, you be dead. Don't be in a head. Oh no, feel listen what Iron Root say. Iron Root, talking the truth. Hey Babylon, we come to execute. I am one watch it, them cannot put on mute. You must say what the whole of town revolute. Take it to them and